Hello guys and welcome back to Sane Channel. For today's video, we are going to update the Kling 3.0 of Hitchfield guys. But before that, let me remind you again that this is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment and review purposes only. So always do your own research because crypto blockchain has a risk. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is the Kling 3.0, the era of the AI director guys. It's coming soon here at the Hitchfield. So make sure to sign up now. Use my link on my description down below to get a chance to use this Kling 3.0, the era of the director guys. Okay? So they have the Kling 3.0 model unifying world-class 4K visuals, native audio, and multi-shot storyboarding into a single seamless creative engine guys. You see this guys, the multi-shot narratives. Okay, this is an AI generated using this Kling 3.0 enhanced audio generation. The model expected to be able to create character specific voice referencing integrated into the video generation guys. Directorial physics, advanced simulation of fluid dynamics, gravity, and complex object and interaction. They also have the native 4K cinematic workflow. One of the most important features is ultra high definition output with native text rendering in 4K guys. Okay? So the next frontier, Kling 3.0, has an extended cinematic pacing. Kling 3.0 is rumored to support native generations of to 15 seconds. This enables creators to move from 5 seconds clip to fuller narrative ARC. If you are looking to create cinematic reels or shorts video, this is for you guys. Okay, absolute subject consistency using utilize and extended context window 2.6 generates up to 15 seconds of video without improved temporal degradation, keeping objects stable over time. Okay, and also they have the intelligent scene reasoning new model expected to offer reasoning based editing guys. Okay, so allowing you to modify videos through natural language of yours guys. So you can just join the waitlist here or just click the link on my description down below guys. Easy as that. So community over a 15 million users. So this is the Hitchfield guys. Okay, some said they delivered a project 2 days early. Thanks for the Hitchfield. I was blown away by how initiative it is. We were tasked with creating a detailed sales narrative for computing menu. Since this is one of the people who love to use Hitchfield guys, and right now we are waiting for the Kling 3.0, the era of the AI director guys, to come here at the Hitchfield. Also, expectation from Kling 3.0 AI guys. So the video user discussion analysis. So this is what, while Kling 3.0 has not been released yet, so current signal suggests it marks the next major step towards professional AI. So video generation, Kling 3.0 is expected to evolve into a production-ready video system that bring generations of transformation and consistency into a unified workflow guys. Okay, so if you want to try it guys, click here and then you can create your video like what I did guys. Okay, I got some prompt coming from the ChatGPT guys, and then I let the AI use the Kling 2.6. Okay, so this is the Kling 2.6. Now we are gonna wait till the Kling 3.0 coming here at the Hitchfield guys. Okay, so Kling 3.0, what the unified model signals for the next phase of AI video and what to possibly expect. Okay, so community discussion analysis, early signals, and technical possible preview has a Kling 3.0 has not been officially released yet. not yet, guys. So right now we can use the Kling 2.6 but not the 3.0. So this post is based on publicly available updates, launch patterns, and community analysis. So everything points to Kling 3.0 launching soon, guys. So observed platform behavior and features alignment indicate the Kling Video 3.0 is moving toward a single tightly integrated video generation architectures instead of maintaining parallel tools or segmented model lines. Kling appears to be converging its core video capabilities into a unified system where generation and transformation handling are managed within one cohesive workflow. So platforms like Hitchfield provide access to the full range of current Kling models, including Kling 2.6, Kling 0.1, and Omni and motion control features, guys. So this is the new Kling motion control. Okay, and then the Kling 2.6 cinematic video with audio. They have the Kling 0.1 edit and advanced video editing, guys. So the signal pointing toward a unified Kling Video 3.0 models as a multiple public signal suggests the Kling Video 3.0 is designed as an end-to-end AI video generation platform rather than the collection or separate tools. So the range of workflow. So a shift toward tighter integration between different video creation stage rather than isolated generation step. It reduces separation between initial video creation, transformation, and refinement workflows. So increasing overlap between generation, continuity, control, and scene level adjustments. They have a movement towards a more cohesive and end-to-end creative process instead of fragmented tools, guys. So longer formats. Another clear trend is the shift away from the short outputs toward generation that sustain continuity over the longer time spans. So the Kling 3.0 expected by user to maintain temporal coherence and visual stability and character consistency, guys. They have the structure multi-scene generation, subject consistency, mapping existing Kling releases to Kling 3.0 capabilities. So the Kling 2.6, what are we using right now as a native audio generation, and the 0.1 Kling expanded multimodal reasoning. And then the Kling 3.0 has a motion control updates demonstrated Kling's ability to handle complex physics, camera movement, and character motion for extended duration in a single generation, guys. Okay? So what to possibly expect from the Kling 3.0? All current available Kling models has a 01 Kling 3.6 and Kling motion control are already usable on Hitchfields, allowing creators to experiment with existing workflows while anticipating how this feature may evolve in Kling 3.0. So the native 4K and high frame rate AI video will be available soon, guys. Regional and painting and AI video editing, improved physics, longer AI videos. So what introduction of Kling will mean for AI video generation? A step towards professional grade AI video creation, faster creative iteration speed, and also it ultimately, while Kling 3.0 has not been officially released yet, the direction is increasingly well defined, guys. Okay, so let's wait till the Kling 3.0, the era of the AI director, has been released, guys, and make sure to sign up using my link on the description down below. So right now it's not available on Hitchfield, guys, but you will see here at the Kling section that we only have 2.6 Kling, 01, 0 King motion control, Kling 2.5 turbo, 2.1 and 2.1 master. Soon you will see the Kling 3.0 here at the Hitchfield, guys. So don't forget to sign up using my link on the description down below. So again, this is Crypto saying bye bye.